It looks very chintu, but it's very heavy. My dad lives it and he's like, भाई साहब क्या मतलब पत्थर लेके जा रही है. So many lip balm I've got. I just realized I've got like 4-5 lip balms in my bag. God knows why I'm carrying so many lip balms. In case I'm very hungry, everything needs to be there in my bag. Sorted. Toodles. Nothing else. Finito. Hey guys, this is Tina Datta and today I'm going to show you what's in my bag. So firstly, I carry a backpack especially during rainy season because comfortable होता है, पानी नहीं घुसता है, raincoat पहनो नहीं भी पहनो, umbrella पकड़ने में इतना easy होता है because otherwise all those sling and purses and all of that इतना गिरते रहते हैं. Most of my bags are like open bags nowadays because that's pattern or whatever. And इसमें पानी नहीं घुसता है, so waterproof भी होता है, so it's easy breezy. And I'm gonna show you. It looks very chintu, but it's very heavy, and I'm gonna tell you what all is there. So I've got a book. This is a new book. I've not yet started reading, so I just got it very recently, 2 days back, and I usually tend to read it on my way or whenever I have free time with my coffee and book, or when I'm in the flight. जब भी मैं travel करती हूँ तब मैं पढ़ती रहती हूँ. Tissue. This is the bamboo tissues. It's like organic, and tissue paper हमेशा होना चाहिए because I need a lot of tissue papers. I like in one of the interviews you must have recently heard also कि I'm very hygienic. मतलब हमेशा everything has to be neat and clean and tidy. So if I see something I need to wipe it off and keep it clean. So tissue paper is a must. Sanitizer, of course. How can I not have a sanitizer? Sanitizer, of course, is a must. कोविड से पहले से ही सैनिटाइजर में कैरी करती थी. कोविड के बाद अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग सैनिटाइजर नहीं यूज़ करते. प्लीज स्टार्ट कैरिंग सैनिटाइजर्स. That's my wallet, and that has a history to it. It's gifted by my very dear friend Dolly, and since then she only gets me wallet every year, and I don't buy my wallets because it has a story to it. And all my cards, my IDs, my money, and ये मेरा जो गुरु है भगवान का पिक्चर वो भी होता है इसके अंदर. सो Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt, I'm very inquisitive. I want to know what's in their bag. Though I recently saw one of Alia's interview and she carries a lot of scrunchies like me. So actually a lot. I think how I'm carrying so many lip balms, I think she carries a lot of scrunchies. So yeah, I would love to see what's in their bag. I carry my glass in this. पहले तो ऐसा होता था कि मैं glass को ऐसी dump करती रहती थी, and then when I would remove it to wear it, it's like so dirty, and then पूरे glasses में marks आ जाते थे because मुझे ऐसा लगता था इसका भी extra वजन हो जाता है ना, which is not even like 10 grams. But yeah, now I've started carrying a cover, so I just carry one glass. Otherwise, this is like my emergency because most of the time I forget, and now since I'm shooting in Umargaon back and forth, so I forget my glass. So yeah, my house keys, my another mobile phone, that's my AirPod, that's my mask. I still carry a mask if I'm going to the mall or something, and if the place is too crowded, I still wear my mask. One hairband if my hair is a mess. I don't like my hair falling on my face. I just hate it. So yeah, that's like an emergency safety hairband. And that's a small pouch. पहले मैं ऐसे ही dump करती थी छोटे-छोटे pockets में, but now I thought it's better to have a pouch and keep everything in this. Adds on some extra weight to it, but ठीक है. That's my mini pocket perfume. It's from Amouage, and it smells so nice. ये छोटू सा दिखता है, but 3-4 puffs and you're good to go for the entire day. You don't need an additional perfume. That's my lip liner. It has a lot of things. One lipstick. This is the new lipstick that I'm wearing right now. I also have a dark shade. So in case if I'm not wearing any makeup, it's not very dark though. A little tad bit dark pink sort of thing. So in case if I'm not wearing any makeup and I just want to just wear a lip shade and just a tad bit of blush on, no eye makeup, no base, nothing at all, then this really helps. 3 people, Aneri, Ashu, people only. If given a chance, then of course I would love to carry Bruno in my bag forever wherever I go. But if it's only people, then Aneri, Ashu, Dolly. So when I read, I love to mark and highlight, so I always keep two pens, safety. That's a Chintu highlighter. If I'm traveling and if I'm in the flight or something and I have to get off and do my makeup. That's a tiny chotu blush. It's very natural and nude. With a brush, I have to always put it in the cover because otherwise uske bristles pura kharab ho jate. Oh, this my best friend apparently gave me the other day, tight to go. So if I stain my shirt or t-shirt or anything, this pen really helps. You just have to put it there where you have stained it, sketch pen ki tarah hai, and then the stain goes off. Oh, I just had a sandwich and stained my shirt. I forgot to do this. Lots and lots of band-aids in case I have a shoe bite or something. This really helps. This again is that stick wala blush on. So you just apply it and just blend it, tap 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 tap, and you're done. Not too much of mehnat. Again, mere Bhagwan ka picture with that. Okay, ignore. V wash. Oh my God, lip balm, my nasal drop, and of course my wallet. This is my hand cream because my hands tend to get very dry because I use a lot of sanitizer. So this is a must. I always need to have hand cream. This is again a mini perfume lip balm because my lips tend to get very, very dry. That's Rene PH Madness. Again, it's a tinted lip balm. It's black in color, but when you apply it on your lips just has a little bit of tint to it. And very moisturizing and very, very nice. I love it. This is by my very dear friend Ashu. Actually very nice. You should try the Rene PH Madness. Some TikTok because again if my hair is all over on my face and falling here and there, I need to have some TikTok. Okay. There's more. I'll show you. I love this lip balm. It's from Forest Essentials. Really nice. Smells so nice. Okay, what else do I have? Chewy is a must. Can't do without that. Okay, this you might find it funny, but Johnson baby cream because again my skin gets very dry. And अगर मैं निकल गई and I have a long day and my face is feeling very dry, so ठीक है Johnson, थोड़ा सा Johnson लगा लेती हूँ and then probably I'll put some blush on or I'll just skip it and just a little bit of lip shade. So Johnson is a must that is always there in my bag. Most expensive, actually too many. I love buying bags for myself. Dior, one of the most expensive bags that I have. Chanel. Gucci is okay, Chanel, Dior, Birkins. Yeah, I think that's the most expensive one. Yeah, after Dior, yeah. No, Birkins and then Dior. In case I'm very hungry. One more, safety. In case there's someone with me. Listerine mouth spray. That's one clutcher if I want to just tie up my hair, messy bun. In case if I'm not carrying my headphone, then what? If my AirPod is not there, so I need to have my headphones as well, a band-aid, and so that it doesn't fall all over the place and the wire doesn't get tangled. So I've tied it with a rubber band. So I use the rubber band also to tie my hair. One more rubber band. One more Snickers. Oh, I have numbers, so I need to carry my lenses also because there have been so many times कि मैं ऐसे निकल गई और या तो फिर चश्मा कहीं पे घुमा दिया and then I'm like partially blind because मेरा far view खराब है. So इसके लिए I carry one pair of lenses as well. And this is some medicine. This is cleanser wipes in case my nails get stained. So I have to clean them and keep them nice and pretty. Now today I'm wearing makeup, so I'm carrying my compact powder. That's from Fenty Beauty. It's a really nice powder. And one more clutcher. And in this chotu pocket, again another lip balm. One more pen. This lip balm is again from Kylie. I have so many lip balm I've got. I just realized I've got like 4 or 5 lip balms in my bag. God knows why I'm carrying so many lip balms. So this is again a tinted lip balm. This is really nice. See, it's green in color, but when you apply it, it turns pink, like natural pink, and it smells also so nice. Okay, my nose gets blocked. I have this problem, so I carry my nasal drops, 2 Listerine, not 1. I have one more hand sanitizer just to be safe. Spray sanitizer. I've got this Pulse. I love Pulse. So kabhi if I feel like my throat is dry or something, बहुत सारे coins, ये सारे coins मैं इधर ही रख देती हूँ. And again, few TikToks. So my hair is not flying and not all over on the place. And I'll show you one funny thing. Recently I had found Boomer. इसकी हालत खराब हो गई है, whatever. So I picked up one for myself. And that's it. Toodles. Nothing else. Finito. Finito. Imagine, Chintu's a bag, that's why it's so heavy, you know. My dad lives it and he's like, bhai sab, kya matlab patthar leke ja rahi hai. My bag had to describe me protective, sorted, always it has to be clean, cleanliness is a must, and protective about my bag. Hey guys, if you like this interview, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.